Okay, that's the units in. Room for the fridge there. The 3 cupboards there. 2 bottom, 1 large. All these will have lights in. I'm just going to working on that now. So the cooker in, the tap in. Put the tap in and the gas connector at the back there. It's easy to do before you put the top in. It's the nice Formica top down. Electrical cupboard. And at the back, 2 good size cupboards there. There'll be literally nothing in those other than the wire for this touch reading light, night light. That end cap was loose on. And the wiring for that will go around or this way, so there's absolutely nothing to foul electrics or anything there. So next will be getting the lights, LED lights, in the roof and placing them within the cupboards. The end caps to the rock and roll bed on the front there as well, with circular access cupboard made the same as these on the front there, and the back wider on the back, giving access to this sort of dead area along the front of the back unit there. So I'm going to get on with that, and then it's the main water, gas and all the electrical wiring, so a little bit longer than normal. It's these cupboards, they can be a pain. I think the next time I'm going to go for a router that just basically cuts the hole, rebate it then with the router for the T-trim, and go T-trim basically this stuff, inner and outer flush cupboards. That's the 10 LEDs in place, 2 at the front there, 2 kind of midway there. It's ideal for the diesel heater control, and the main switch board will be on that panel there. You just see one in the cupboard there for the electrics by the fire extinguisher. There's one in the upper section of each of these, so I'll put those on a separate switch. The 4 for the ceiling, this will be, it's obviously individually done from here, and there's 2 in the back cupboards. The rear section there will have that switchable LED as well, so there's more than enough lighting. So I'm just going to finish off now. These are in situ, these 2 last pieces of the roof there. So I've got the split charger relay in. There's the feed there going around the bottom of all the cabinets. That's onto the twin batteries, twin leisure batteries. Solar's going onto those via the controller, and I'm just now fitting the main switch board for all the electrics. Lovely mess, but yeah, that's how it is. So next is going to be the wiring everything in. Still got the back 2 to fit on the roof there. It's mainly because I need to work out how to get the couple of wires in there for the LEDs. Once that's done and everything's wired in, I can put that on. So yeah, now it's crack on with the fitting of the fridge, gas, water, not too sure which one. I need to work out where the dropout can not be in the way of chassis or anything. Okay, now at the point where I've fitted the sink, fridge, water, and ready to add the gas. regulators there. I've got lights, LEDs in all of these cupboards. That's all yet to be done. See, there's an LED at the top. That's the copper gas pipe going in through and then fitted to the rubber. So that's a nice big storage area there. The water is in, 10 litres in, 10 litres grey. Ratchet, actually no, they're not ratchet, push, pull straps out, put them back. That's a nice, easy system. I cut the pipes to go in, a good tight fit, so you're not getting any spills. So your lockable SMEV, I think it's SMEV fridge, SMAD, actually SMAD light there. You can get quite a bit of stuff in those, especially with the shelves out. Bottles that way. Yeah, just fill it full of booze. And the cocker's in there. You've got the system of the gas there and the spark igniter. Really good pressure on this one, actually. It's a good pump. I've not heard of the pump before, but it does a cracking job. It's every bit as good as a whale pump. So that's fitted. Fuse board there. It's a bit low now, 11.8. It's not had much of a charge. You've got the again, all needs securing correctly, but the solar panel controller there, going down to the 2 leisure batteries, main fuse there, earth bank here, 30 amp breaker. That'll all be pretty much so you won't see much wiring. You could actually do another sort of cupboard section in there. I'll leave it open. Yeah, fire extinguisher there. There'll also be a carbon monoxide detector. So today I'm going to finish off the electrics, wire in the back reading lamp there, wire in the roof vents and the roof vent lights. That's all in one. Tidy up the front section here, and then the next video after, actually, the front sections on the bed, they both need to be done in this. I think I've mentioned that. I'm fitting a diesel heater. I've got that now. It'll be in the next video. I'll do it on its standalone video sort of thing. Diesel heater there. I'm tapping into the tank with a part that I bought off eBay. Actually looks and is a Ford part. Goes into the accessory feed from the diesel sender unit. A straw there that goes in from the top, and the connector there that goes on top of that, and then you run your diesel feed into your pump, and you pump into your heater. I'm going to look at the option of putting the diesel pump under the van. I'm thinking it'll be easier for the pump to draw the fuel and push it further up into the diesel heater itself. So yeah, that's in the next video, but for now I'm going to finish off the interior and then move on to that. This will also have in this, it's actually grey. It always comes out, even in the pictures. It's not far off the colour of the floor. Just for some reason it comes out a bit more off grey. Anyway, that's going to be across the front there. I normally put them on magnets against these here, so it just pulls away. And I'm going to go into this 12 volt feed actually just here, original to the van. I'm just going to put a plug in there for the 12 volt feed, run a wire around underneath, and have the diesel controller either probably above or to the left of the main fuse area there.